Good evening.
Yes, good evening, Varshit. Good evening. The right time joining person, very sincere person, Varshit. Good boy. Keep it up.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, children. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, beta. Anubhav, how are you? Please text me. How are you? Did your wound cure a little bit or else still paining? Okay, take care, beta. It's too hot summer also. Right, children. I think Krithvik, where we are in previous session. Sunday test. How many of you write the Sunday test? What are the scores? I did not check about Sunday test. Let me check once about the Sunday test. Yes, Krithvik Sunday test results. Oh, 25 questions given for you. Okay. Wow, super. Mouse, Krithvik, wonderful beta. Leshita, 90 full score. Anubhav, I think what 2 bits you did wrong. The rest all are correct. Anubhav is 3 bits. And Varshit is not focused. I don't know why. Very good. Keep it up. Good work, Prithvi. Good job.
Yes, ma'am.
And Leshita, very good, ma. Keep it up. Good work. Anubhav, very good. Please check the errors where. Varshit, please share your difficulties better so that we can discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
Good, but you tried well. Share your difficulties. Where is the test? What are the errors done by you? Yeah, Krithvik, did everything correct for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Some only 2 questions were wrong, ma'am.
What are those 2 questions?
Ma'am, I think 19th one, ma'am.
19th one. And Leshita, you also please be with your doubts so we can. 19th one. So we can reduce, right? Can we do on the board, whiteboard? Yes.
Yes.
I'll do on whiteboard, not an issue. 5 multiplied with negative 144 multiplied with negative 27. -144 -27 divided by -15 multiplied with 18 -15 multiplied with 18 multiplied with -16. Today, yes, today Tilak match is there. Oh, super. Children, you know what is the Tilak in the team of Mumbai team? He is my student from my school. Yesterday we met him with the team of players in our township. How many of you love cricket, children? Worship? All the time sticking to the TV only. I know that you are laughing. And what about Kritvik? Very sincerely is looking. Kritvik, Mama
Yes.
is there, you are not watching. Mama is not there, you are also watching. I know that. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm having school exams, ma'am. Cycle test tomorrow.
Oh, very good boy. So seriously doing. What about Leshita? Leshita. Okay, and Anubhav is a little okay. Okay, we'll discuss later about those. We will go with some. Okay. Now here 15 multiplied with negative 144 multiplied with minus 27 divided by minus 15 into 18 into 18. So first thing first you have to see in numerator how many negative numbers are there. Please check it. How many negative numbers? Is it even number of times negative sign or odd number of times?
Even number of
Even. So obviously result is positive. You just neglect your signs and do your calculations. Go with the denominator 15 multiplied with 18 multiplied with 16. So same way you can minus off here even times it becomes plus. So 5 ones are 5 threes are. Then which table we can cancel? 18 table. Can we go 18 table, right, children? 18 8 times. So what is 18 8 times? 144. Can I cancel 18 ones are 18? 6 are 8, 6, not 6 times 18. 8 times 144. Now what is left over here? 8. 8 ones are again 8 twos are 16. So 3 ones are 3, 9s are 27. What is left over altogether if I cancel? 9 by 2. Only multiple times we should cancel. That's all, beta. Kritvik, here nothing to be tough and thing. Only the thing multiple times we have to see. See 5, 144 and 27. Multiple times we are simplifying. 18 into 16. So 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Again 18 ones are 18 8 times. Again 8 ones are 8 twos are. Again 3 ones are 3 threes 3 9 times. So what is left over? 9 by 2. That's all. Hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good. What is the other bit you did error?
Ma'am, can we once open my test? It will show the answer.
I will open. Let's see. Check slowly what is the question you are doing. Anything from here?
Ma'am, I think it's fourth one, ma'am. Negative 28 from 12.
This one?
Ma'am, not that one, ma'am. Fourth one.
Question number 4. Subtract. Yeah. I think most of the kids, I don't know why they're doing error here. From after what you have better, that should be written. You have to subtract minus 28 from minus 12. So which number you are subtracting? Minus 28 from minus 12. Yes. From after what you have first, that should be written. Minus 12. Subtract means minus. Which number you should subtract?
Ma'am, negative 20.
Negative 28. Right?
Yes.
Here minus of minus. What is the value of minus of minus? Wherever you are seeing minus of minus, it becomes
1 plus.
plus. So minus 12 plus 28. What is opposite signs? What we are doing?
Ma'am, like subtraction.
Very good. Subtraction 28 minus 12.
Ma'am,
Do in mind.
16.
Don't use
Ma'am,
pen and
16.
paper.
Ma'am, negative 16.
See, once again, is it positive 16 or negative 16?
Ma'am, positive.
Greater number has which sign?
Yes, ma'am. It has positive sign, so 16.
Yeah, 16 is the answer. Hope it is clear, Prithvik. Your bits are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Doubts. What about Varshit Ji?
Ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 4th bit, 5th bit, 6th bit, 7th bit, 8th, 7th, 12th, 19th, 24th.
Next time onwards, how many bits you are doing wrong? That many beatings for you. With hardly I
How,
beat
ma'am?
with a
How,
stick. How means I will tell how it is with parent or with father or mama or your uncle or aunt. I don't know. I will seriously give the punishment. How many bits? What are your questions, Varshit? Fourth question.
Yes,
Fourth
ma'am.
question, it's cleared for you right now. Kritvik also did the same error. Then what next?
This fifth one. Fifth one.
Hmm?
Fifth one.
Fifth one. Subtract minus 26 from 32. Subtract minus 26 from 32. What is the question? Subtract minus number from plus. Okay, minus 26 from 32. Which number I should, what I said just now, from 32, what number you should subtract?
32.
Negative 26. Subtract means you should keep minus of minus, what it becomes? Just now minus of minus becomes?
Plus, ma'am.
So 32 plus 26.
Ma'am, 58.
Huh? What is the answer?
Ma'am, 58, ma'am.
58. Or else I will call the lower class students and make punishments. You have youngers in your home. With them, I'll give slaps.
Yes, ma'am, I have my brother studying in.
So if I ask to slap once, they will definitely do it
Ma'am,
instead
but
of
your
me.
class is done, ma'am. For him.
Okay, your answer given means I won't. What is the next doubt?
Ma'am, 6th, ma'am.
Sixth one. Which of the following is obey? Closure property. Obey means, what is the meaning for obey, Leshita? Is it Leshita? What is the meaning for obey?
Ma'am, agrees.
Agree, very good, agree. So which of the following obey closure property of integers? Agree. So addition. Addition is, sum is also yes. Subtraction. The result is once again integer, right? Yes, 7. The sum is 7. 7 is belongs to your integer. And 3 minus 4 minus 1, which is also belongs to an integer set. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So this is also belongs to a integer set. So what is the answer we can say here?
Ma'am, all the above.
Very good. All
Ma'am,
the above.
I wrote all the above only, ma'am.
Correct only.
But it's
Right. What next?
7th bit, ma'am. 7th one.
Which of the following satisfies associative property? What is the meaning of associative, Prithvik? And what is meaning of associative property? Association. In our apartment also there is an association. Association is nothing but grouping.
Yes, ma'am.
Or bracket shifting. Grouping or bracket shifting property. See where it is shifting the bracket. Check once.
Ma'am, me. Ma'am, should I do or Varshit should do?
No, you just let me know. Is it which option is true?
Ma'am, ma'am, the A1, ma'am. A bit.
Yeah, even B also correct, right, Veda? No
yes,
B?
Ma'am,
No
me?
B?
Ma'am, B also. B.
Yeah, B
yes.
also correct because there are multiple options for this. Even B is also correct. You can see 2 plus 7 is grouped. Later 7 plus 5 is grouped. That's okay. And coming to first option, 15 plus 27 grouped. In right side, 27 and 18 is grouped. The same numbers are repeating, same three numbers. That's all. Both 1 and 2, correct. Next, Harshit.
12th one. 12th.
12, 12, 12. 12, 12, 12. What is difficult in 12th bit, Harshit Ji?
Ma'am.
See how many negative times are occurring. Check once
ma'am.
negative numbers are there. Even times or odd times?
Ma'am, odd times, ma'am.
Odd times. So odd means which answer you will get, minus answer or plus answer?
Negative, ma'am.
Negative. So what is the product of 12 3 times, or you can do some easiest method. So 6 4s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 24 into 36. Do it, do it. It's like normal multiplication only.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah, Prithvi.
Ma'am, it's negative 864.
Very good. It's negative 864. Option D is correct.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Do Varshit, do fast. Don't be
Yes,
lazy.
Yes, ma'am, I do it. Done it, ma'am.
Correct. Then what is the next bit?
Ma'am, next bit is 19.
19 also we discussed right now. We just Prithvik also having same doubt, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Right. Any other Anubhav, do you have any doubts in this?
Ma'am, I have another question, ma'am.
What is that another one?
24th one.
24. Choose the correct statement from the following. Oh, either ascending or descending. You can choose the correct statement. So 8 crores 58 lakhs 68,788 is greater than 8 lakhs 58,000. It's absolutely wrong. First one wrong. Go with the second one. 8 lakhs 58,000. 8 lakh 58,078. 8 crores 58 lakh 78,688. So here 8 crores 658 lakhs 68. Okay. Till here it's okay. Then 88. Second one wrong. Third one compare with extremely. So one bit I'll do for you. 8 crore 56 68 780. 8 crore 58. So 88. So it is greater they mentioned. This is greater, absolutely. This is greater number. So this is also wrong. Coming to the last.
8 crore 50.
I think second option, this is greater. Yes, 68. Then it is greater than this. So they are wrong. So 8 crores 58 lakhs 88 greater. Then next greater is 8 crore 58 78 1,688 greater than. I think last option D is correct, Varshit. See, I'll help you. All are 8 crores. See, all the three numbers 8 crores. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then lakhs under lakhs, which number is 58, 58, 58, all are same. Then go to the thousands. Thousand, what you have 88, then 78, then 68. Yes or no? 88 is only
Yes,
greater than 78. 78 is greater than 68.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? That's all.
Ma'am,
Little patience should be there.
yes, ma'am. But while writing it, I just circled B, circled C without D, ma'am. Like that.
Okay. Leshita, we are not. Leshita, any doubts, ma? Which question you did error? Please let me know.
Ma'am, 4th and 7th question.
4th and
7th question.
Fourth bit, did we discuss fourth bit? Hope you understood what?
Yes, ma'am.
So minus 12 minus of minus means minus 12 plus 28. So opposite signs you have to subtract. Once again, I'll help you. Leshita, please look at the board. Subtract minus 28 from minus 12. Subtract minus 28 from minus 12. See, Leshita, from after what you have, that number should be written first. Yes. Subtract means what sign you should keep in the middle? Minus. And what number you should subtract? Negative 28 should be subtracted. So minus of minus is plus. Negative 12 plus 28 beta. Opposite signs. In addition, opposite signs, we should do subtraction. This is very same as 28 minus 12. So what is the answer? 16. Right? Next question, Leshita. What is your next question?
Ma'am, 7th question.
7 or 17, ma?
Ma'am, 7.
Number, which of the following satisfies associative property? Association, I said many times. Associative property have 3 names. So what are the 3 names? Grouping property, or bracket shifting property, grouping property, or bracket shifting property. Bracket shifting property. There are 3 numbers in different order they added. You can see the examples. So 15, 27, 18. 15, 27, 18. It's not 15, 27. I'll come. Just a minute. 15, 27. What is that? 15, 27, and 18. So here they grouped 15 and 27. And the second, any order we have to add beta, but only making the group as a group is very important. Now, other way is, what is the other way? Just to shift the bracket. 15 plus 27 plus 18. This is, there is 3 friends, you just remember. 3 friends are there. First, what we are doing, first 2 are friends in first condition. Then the third one is joined. And second condition, second and third, first these 2 are friends. Later, first one is joined. That's why these 3. Anyway, if you change, if you make as a group, the result is same. There are 2 options correct. Even the student also asked the same. 275. So 275 can be added in the same way. 2 plus 7 is first. We can add and do the same. And 2 plus 7 plus 5. These only brackets are shifting. Numbers are same. You can see. Easily you will recognize. Same way 2 into 5 into 2 into 7 into 5. Also same way we can write it as 2 into 7 into 5. This is a associativity under addition, associativity under multiplication. Addition, multiplication. Hope you understood, ma?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah, that's about Leshita doubts. That's all. Any other, ma?
No, ma'am.
And Anubhav, any doubts about Sunday test?
Doubt 2 bit.
Don't talk better. Don't tag, message me so that I can.
Okay.
Because it is curing question. You should not open mouth. Yes, Anubhav said, ma'am, I have in second bit. Okay, beta. We'll see that second one. Second and okay. Second one. The identity element with respect to addition of integer. You know that very well, but only question is different. They mentioned the word element, identity. Identity. By looking, this is Anubhav, this is Leshita, this is Varshit, this is Kritvik. How I can notice by looking your identity. Identity means by looking your face, I'm taking these are the students. So here, if I add any number to the particular, suppose what number if I add to the number, the result remains the same identity. Suppose, let me go with a question for. There are few examples we can, because it is continuously helping children. So -2 plus 0. What is the result?
-2.
What is the result? -2. 3 plus 0.
3.
3. So -5 plus 0.
-5.
-5. A plus 0.
A.
A. Minus A plus 0.
-8.
Minus A. But identity is same. My identity is same. Which number I added to make my identity the same?
Ma'am, 0.
So what we can call 0 is called an identity element for addition. 0 is called an identity element with respect to addition. What is with respect to multiplication? Which is the with respect to addition? 0 is additive identity. 0 is additive identity. With respect to multiplication, suppose -2 into 1. What is the answer?
-2, ma'am.
-2.
-2.
-2. -3 multiplied with 1.
No, -3.
5 multiplied with 1.
No, 5.
5. -2 by 5 multiplied with 1.
-2 by 5.
-2 5. So A multiplied with 1 is?
8.
Minus A multiplied with 1 is?
-A.
Minus A. Which number if I multiplied, my identity should remains the same?
1, ma'am. 1.
No, ma'am.
So what we can call 1, we can call it as?
No, multiplicative element.
Yes, 1 is called multiplicative identity. 1 is called multiplicative identity. Next. No, no is not. One is called multiplicative identity. This is very important, children. Not only this. Suppose if I'm asking, there is another question. You are which class? I think class 7 students, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This is more important. I can give. See, there is additive identity is different. Additive inverse is different, children. Additive identity is different. Additive inverse is different. Now I will go with that points also, because anyway we are discussing that. You have to see additive inverse. Additive inverse. Inverse means, so any number and its sum of any number and its additive inverse. Additive inverse of number is always 0. Suppose any number you take 2. 2 plus what number makes you 0?
-2.
No, -2.
Additive identity, additive inverse of 2 is?
No,
-2.
-2.
Additive inverse of 2 is -2. So now I'm asking, suppose I have -5. -5 plus what number makes you 0?
Ma'am, 5.
Mm,
Positive 5.
Plus 5. So 5 is additive identity of?
Ma'am, additive
Negative
inverse
5.
of -5.
-5. So minus A. Additive identity of minus A is?
A.
Ma'am, plus A.
Yes. So A plus A, what is additive identity of plus A?
A. -A, ma'am.
Minus A, which is 0. So now these are additive inverse beta. It's not identity, it's additive inverse. A number and its additive inverse always 0. Now sum of a number and its additive inverse is always
0.
0. That should be very important concept, should be remembered. Additive inverse is different. Additive identity is different. If you sum up a number with its additive identity, the result is 0. What is multiplicative inverse? The same way multiplication we will go. Multiplicative inverse. This is, we can call it as reciprocal. Generally, if my students are doing wrong in classroom, I will give this punishment. What is reciprocal of 2 by 3?
Ma'am, 3 by 2.
Very good, Leshita. Reciprocal is 3 by 2 because it's reverse. Yes or no? If I multiplied these two numbers, what I will get? Multiplicative identity I will get. So reciprocal, what is reciprocal of 2 by 3?
3 by 2.
3 by 2. That means multiplicative inverse. Suppose what is reciprocal of 2? Nothing is there means you can take it as 1.
Ma'am, 1 by 2.
Very good, 1 by 2. Yes, if you go and cancel, you will get once again 1. Very good. Next. What is multiplicative inverse of -2?
Ma'am,
1 by -2.
1 by -2. Good. Right. What is multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 2? No, this we will learn in your class 8. Don't try. Don't go. Hope you understood, children, what is multiplicative inverse?
yes, ma'am.
What is additive inverse? Please remember that points also very important, children. Sunday test was, that's about your Sunday test. Do you feel little lengthy the test is?
No, it's just 3 pages.
No or yes or no? So that I can reduce, because sir is asking don't give 25 questions. Children may feel takes time for them. Do you feel long? Do you feel long?
No, ma'am.
The test was so long.
Ma'am, I did it in like 15 minutes. That's it.
Very good, very good, very good. That's okay. Then I can, because basic part, application questions I won't give much, children, but concept questions you should do at least 25 every Sunday. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Where we are in first chapter was done, or else still we are in first chapter?
Ma'am, first chapter
The
was
first
done.
chapter
We are
done.
going to second chapter.
We are in second chapter. Okay, fractions.
We should start it, ma'am.
Sunday test, I conducted Sunday test. What fraction of questions were correct for Kritvik?
Ma'am, 23 by 25.
23 by 25, absolutely correct. What fraction of questions were wrong? What fraction of questions were doing wrong? Kritvik? What fraction of questions you are doing wrong?
Ma'am, I did two
Out of 2 out of, very good. Fraction, I'm asking about fraction. 2 out of? What is the total number of questions conducted for
2
test?
out of 25, ma'am. Yes.
Very good. About Leshita? What fraction of questions are doing correct in your Sunday test?
On 23 out of 25.
Yes. 23 out of 25. Very good. What fraction are wrong?
2 by 25.
2 by 25. Good. What is this 2 and 25? There is any particular name for that?
Yes, ma'am. Numerator, denominator.
Very good, Varshit. Very good, numerator and denominator. Coming to Anubhav. Anubhav, can you please text me what are the different types of fractions learned in your earlier classes? What fraction of a day you are using for practicing mathematics? What fraction of time you are using, ma'am, decimal fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions? Very good. Very good. Like and unlike fractions. Good, good. Basic fractions you gave. Subdivisions is still very good, Anubhav. He gave one of the name as a decimal fraction. What is the meaning for decimal fraction, Kritvik and Leshita? Any one of you? Anyone? There are 3 students except Abhinav. Please, what are decimal fractions? He gave the 3 answers for my question. Ma'am, types of fractions we have decimal fractions. Yes, we have like fractions. Yes, we have unlike fractions. Sorry, he did not give like and unlike. Some word he gave. Proper and improper. Proper fractions and improper fractions. Leshita, what are decimal fractions? Kritvik, what are decimal fractions? Varshit, what are decimal fractions?
Ma'am.
Think and give.
Ma'am, do they contain decimals in it like 2.5 by 3.2 like that?
You are very wise boy. Why, ma'am? It is you are asking about decimal fractions. That's why 0.5 divided by 0.3. I'll beat you, Varshit. I'll come and beat you. It's absolutely not, because you are thinking, you are relating with the decimal number. That's all. Anubhav, can you please text me if you like decimal fractions so that I can help the students? Can you please text me? Yes, he gave. Very good. Ma'am, I think 5 by 10, 18 out of 100. Absolutely, you're correct. Absolutely, you're correct, dear Anubhav. So this the denominators, if you see the denominators, so 10 and 5 by 10, 18 out of 100 and 121 out of 1000. That means if you see the denominators, what are there in denominators? What are there in denominators? 10, 100, 1000, like that. If you see such a number, such a fractions having denominators like tens, hundreds, thousand, we can call it as a decimal fractions beta. Right?
Okay.
Now, what are proper fractions, Kritvik?
Ma'am, with the denominator less than numerator.
Numerator?
Ma'am,
There are denominator, yes, you said. Which is greater, which is smaller in proper?
is small.
Give
Ma'am,
examples if you are very, give some examples so that we can go with the definition later.
Okay. Ma'am, 2 by 5?
Very good, very good. What you are observing? Which is greater here?
Ma'am, denominator is greater.
So numerator is less than denominator. Such a fractions we call it as proper fractions. Always proper fractions we cannot further simplify beta. Proper fractions. Improper fractions. What are improper fractions, Leshita?
Ma'am, the numerator is greater than the denominator.
Very simple, because it's quite reverse to the previous one. Can you please give few examples to this? Just reverse. Here also you can make it as reverse. That's all. Right. This is improper fractions. Why improper uniform should not allowed in your schools? Why teacher is continuously insisting you should wear the proper shoes, proper uniform, write books. Girl students should tie their hair properly and they should wear proper uniform. Why they are improper? The word improper we are using continuously in our assembly. Don't be improper. Come regular time. Something they're making some discipline. Yes or no? So
Yes,
why
ma'am.
we should improper fraction should be converted into mixed numbers. We should convert it into mixed numbers. We should not leave like improper fraction. You always try to convert into mixed number. These are the very same. The notation is different. Improper fractions only can be converted into mixed numbers. Can you please give few examples for improper fractions and as well as, okay, 5/2 already given by Leshika. Can you convert 5/2 into mixed number?
Ma'am, I think
Ma'am, by dividing them.
What?
Ma'am, by dividing them.
By dividing, very good. By doing division, we are going to get a, yes, what is the answer?
Ma'am,
5/2 improper fraction. Do in the mind. I don't want pen and pencil.
ma'am, is it 2 1/2?
2 1/2 is correct. Who gave this?
Ma'am, Varshit Kumar.
Now, Kritvik, please tell what is improper fraction for 8/3 mixed number. This is improper to mixed number. Do division. You said, ma'am, by doing division.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it 2 by 3?
2?
Ma'am, 2. No, ma'am, not this one.
2 by?
Ma'am, 3.
2 or 3 beta. Divide whatever denominator is there, same denominator you will get. Whatever denominator is there.
Ma'am, 2 by 2, ma'am. It's 2.
See, I will help you because you may forget each and every. See, 3 2s are 6. Remainder is 2. Quotient as a whole part. Remainder as a numerator. Divisor as a denominator. So you can go like V shape. You can start from quotient. So 2 by 3. Now, Leshita, what is a mixed number for 15/2?
Ma'am, 7 1/2.
Leshita?
Ma'am, 7 1/2.
Absolutely good. 7 1/2. Very good, Leshita. Good. These are basics, children, because we learned all these things in our lower classes. Now you people know how this mixed number again we should convert back to the improper. How you should go back?
Ma'am, multiplying.
By multiplying and adding. Yes or no? By multiplying the denominator with the whole part and whatever the result should be added. Suppose I will give right now the type of question. Two 3/5. This is for Kritvik. Kritvik, can you please convert mixed to improper?
13 by 5.
What? 13/5. Very good. Yes. Varshit, can you please convert 5 2/7?
Ma'am, 5 2/7.
37/7,
37/7, ma'am.
37/7. Leshita, 8 5/9.
Ma'am, 77/9.
What, ma?
77/9.
Very good. 77/9. Very good. Now, Anubhav, please. These are basic questions, Anubhav, coming to the part of standard form or simplest form of a fraction. Simplest form Means, suppose I gave number like 28 by 34. What is the answer? Simplest form. Simplest form of 28 by 30. Simplest form or reduce into lowest form or
Ma'am, 14 by 17.
14 by 17. Very good. Very good. 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 Because you are reducing with, you are dividing with the two table. If 14 and 17 further, it won't have any common factors except one. 14 and 17 will go in any common table except one table. That's why this is the standard form of a fraction. Okay. Or else we can go with the highest common factor is 1 for numerator and denominator. Okay. Right, children, these are the basic things. Tomorrow's class we are going with some operations and equivalent equivalent fractions. How we are going to get equivalent fractions? By multiplying or by dividing the numerator and denominator with the same numbers, you will get equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers are more important, children, because in addition subtraction we are using very vastly this concept. We will do that addition and subtraction anyway. 6th class, please revise once and come back, or else we'll go today 1 or 2 bits that part also. Now add the following fractions. Add the following fractions. Simplest form we did, right? Okay. Following fraction. 3 1 by 7 plus 2 4 by 2 4 by 2 3 by 14. 2 3 by 14. 2 3 by 14. Come on, children, please. Who will do the steps here? Who will do the steps for this? What we should do? These are mixed numbers.
Ma'am, can I do?
Yes, Kritvik.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for the first we need to convert them to improper
Very
fraction.
good. First, you should convert them mixed number to improper fraction. Very good.
7 3. Ma'am, first one is 22 by 7. ma'am.
First, 22 by 7. Second one, second fraction is
14 into
this summer holidays tables should be thorough, children. Okay. Regular practice. Regularly you should write.
Ma'am, 31 by
Ma'am,
14. Ma'am, 31 by 14.
31 by 14. Is it like fractions or unlike fractions? How you will identify like or unlike? By seeing the denominators. Denominators are not same. Denominators are not same. So unlike, what you should do? You should find out LCM to make them as a like. 7 and 14. What is the LCM of 7 and 14? You have 7 and 14 common table. 7 ones are 7 twos are. LCM is 7 into 2, which is 14. Yes. So LCM is 14 here. So you should raise your fraction. Your first fraction should be raised denominator with 14. So 7 is there. 22 by 7. 7 become 14 means what changes we should do for the first fraction? We should multiply with 2 on both sides. So second fraction anyway 14 denominator, no need to change. Go with next. 22 into 2 is 44 by 14 plus 31 by 14. These two are like fractions. You can add right now. You can add. Just add the numerators and put the common denominator as 14. This is nothing but
Ma'am,
what is the value? 75 by 14. It's an improper or proper?
Improper.
So you can convert into mixed number. Come on, please convert into mixed number. 5 by 14 is the mixed number. Children, please check. Today your homework is take any 5 unlike fractions. Take any 5 unlike fractions, your own fractions. Take any 5 unlike fractions, do addition and submit tomorrow. I won't teach much about it. That's your today's homework. Take your own example from your textbook.
Ma'am, what should we do? We should have done.
Yes, quickly.
Yes.
You can take mixed numbers, you can take improper number, you can take proper fractions with the different denominators. Don't take like fractions because like fractions are very easy to add.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
That's all for the day, children. Bye. Have a nice day. Please prepare, complete the homework within 10 minutes. Shall I give a small homework quiz on the basics of fractions so that you can at least revise the concepts from fractions?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Right. Yes, come on, please join quickly so that you can enjoy the quiz. You can play and you can leave, children. Don't wait for my presence and you can play the game, complete it. Results I will check later. Yes, one. Very good. 3 are joined. Anubhav should join. Once Anubhav is joining, we can start. Anubhav, are you joining, beta? Anubhav, are you joining? Anubhav is there in the classroom. Yes, Anubhav, please join. Waiting for you, beta, please join. Yeah. Meanwhile, you can start the game, children. Don't delay. All the best, all of you.